In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default font in Google Documents. This should be a quick process video. All you have to do is follow these steps. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and open up the Google document you have. This is an example, as you can see. Now, if you want to change the font, all you have to do is select the text you want to change the font in. Go ahead to the top and click on this tab that's located here. Now just choose the font you want, and then as you can see, here are the variations of the font. You can choose whatever font you want, and then just click on it. For example, I'm going to choose Merriweather, and the variation is bold. As you can see, now the text has been changed, and you can go ahead and select the part of the text. As you can see, if you click on normal text, all the text here has been changed to that font. Now, if you go ahead and click on the title, you can apply it to the title as well, and here you can see the font that you want. And now, if you go ahead and click on Format, then just click on Paragraph and Size, and then just go ahead and click on Options. And if you click on Save as my default size, now, whenever you open up a new document and create a new document, the text in that document is going to be the same as this style you chose here. Now, for example, the font here is Arial. Now I'm opening a blank document, and if I type here, as you can see, the font is still on Arial. So this was how to change the default font in Google Documents. As always, thank you for watching.